Today we are going to talk about central angles and inscribed angles of a circle. This is a central angle of the circle. It is a central angle because the center of the angle is on the center of the circle. In a central angle, the arc, which we would call this arc AB, it is called a minor arc because it is less than 180 degrees. This we would call arc ADB. It is a major arc. And it is a major arc because it is more than 180 degrees. A central angle, its measure is the same as the measure of the arc. So the angle measure and the arc measure are congruent. This is a semicircle. All semicircles have a measure of 180 degrees. This is the diameter of the circle. Like the segment addition postulate, we have the arc addition postulate. And what it says is that our arcs ADB is equal to the measure of arc AD plus arc DB. Let's look at an example. If the measure of arc JK is 27 degrees, find the measure of arc NP. Lines MK and line NJ intersect at point C. Okay, so point C is the center of our circle, and we know that this given here is 90 degrees. Let's go ahead and label JK to be 27 degrees. We are trying to find NP, this arc here. Because this angle KCJ is a central angle, we can say that its angle measure is 27 degrees as well. Line JN is forming a semicircle, so we know that this is 180 degrees. We also know that this arc in here, or this angle in here, is the same as the arc. So we can say that we can add 27 plus this 90 degrees plus our missing angle to get 180. We will then subtract our 117 from 180, and we will get 63 degrees. So the measure of arc NP is 63 degrees. The inscribed angle theorem tells us this is an inscribed angle. What it does is all points touch the circle, and our theorem tells us that the arc measure is half of the angle measure. I'm sorry, I said that wrong. The angle measure is half of the arc. So if this is 80 degrees, our arc AB, then our angle ADB would have to be 40 degrees. If the measure of angle EDF is 15 degrees, find the measure of angle ABE. So we are looking for this. Right here we know that this is an inscribed angle. And so because this is an inscribed angle, we know the arc FE is 30 degrees. We are given that arc AF is 44 degrees. Our angle ABE is intersecting the circle from A to E. So the entire arc is 74 degrees. To get our angle, all we have to do is divide this in half, which will give us 37 degrees. So angle ABE is 37 degrees. We will discuss this more in class. Please bring any questions that you have.